Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and let me show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button, so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage with show grid lines button, so just one tap to turn them on, another tap to turn them off as we need, and when they are turned on we can see the grid. Here in preview, this is useful for example when we want to use the rule of 30 in photography. Another tap to right corner because I want to show you also that when we tap to the bottom of this button we can get access to more type of grid lines, so let me pick the second one, and as you can see the grid has changed here in the preview. Also, these grid lines are also useful when we want to making experiments with composition of our picture. So another tap to the bottom of this button and we can pick also the spiral one from left and right side. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so let me take a photo. And let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. We can't see them now, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them or need another type, we have to move back to right corner and manage this as we need, or just tap to it to turn it off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.